Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B, and today I'll be doing a Friday Sews video. I haven't done one in a long time, and I felt like it was time to do another one. First, I'm going to share with you some patterns that I picked up sometime between December and January. This one is Quick Sew K4305.WMT. And that WMT stands for Walmart. That's where I purchased it from. So this is Quick Sew K4305.WMT. These are Mrs. Aprons, suggested fabrics, batiks, broadcloth, calico, chambray, cotton types, and gingham, and linen types, I'm sorry. And it looks like you should be able to make all of these with about 3.5 yards of fabric for most of the views. I know I showed an apron pattern before and I haven't made them, but I have my reasons. But I do like this one. The next quick sew pattern is K4312.WMT, also purchased from Walmart. I had my eye on this pattern for a while and I could not find it. I even looked on Etsy and I could not find it. So one day I was in Walmart and I just looked up on this one. But these are backpacks. It's a backpack pattern and they come in 2 sizes. Suggested fabrics are cotton, cotton blends, linen, denim, synthetic leather, cotton, and cotton blends. You do need a zipper, D-rings, cardboard to keep your backpack stable, of course. Looks like you can make most of these with, from what I'm looking at, less than 2 yards of fabric. I could be wrong the way I'm reading it, but I don't think so. I like how this is like really slouchy and you can fold this over. It gives you a little bit of extra room, you know. I like this one. The next pattern is Simplicity S8844. This is an unlined blazer with front variations. This I picked up because it is one of the patterns that I need for one of my courses in the Sew It Academy. And if you haven't checked out the Sew It Academy yet, I suggest you do so. It is very affordable, only $11.97 a month if you choose to do one of the other men or women's courses. If you choose to do both, it is $17.97. And when I say it is worth the money, it is worth the money because I have not found a school that is cheaper where you can really learn how to sew. You learn all the techniques and each course builds off of the previous course, but you can do them in any order that you want to. And I suggest this for beginners, intermediate, advanced, because you know it's more than one way to skin a cat, right? And you can learn some pretty good tips, maybe some better ways of doing it. As long as we all come to the same conclusion, the same end product, then it's all good. And if you are interested in learning to sew or brushing up on some techniques, you can click the link in the description below. What I've been doing is I just pick up these patterns for my courses as I see them. And that way, when I am ready to sew, I already have the patterns. Now, some of the patterns for the courses I haven't been able to find, and I've had to find some alternatives. And actually, I think this is an alternative pattern, and I'm not even sure what course it is now. It's been a while since I bought it. I'm trying to keep that in mind, that when I go out or when I see these sales, just kind of look through what patterns I need for my courses and make sure that I already have them on hand. Now, this next pattern I did order off Etsy. And this is also a quick sew pattern. It's K4320.
This pattern also has a simplicity number.
And these are craft bags. Suggested fabrics are cotton, cotton blends. What intrigued me about this pattern is the bag. I like how they do kind of like the, you know, coordinating colors. And you can use this for your craft supplies, your sewing supplies, really for whatever you want to use it for. But I was inspired to pick up this pattern by Delilah from Simply Delilah. She is here on YouTube, and you should check out her video on this bag because the bag she made was super cute as well. I also just finished cutting out this women's fitted tee. It is a free pattern by Life So Savory, and my plan was to participate in So Frugal 2023 this year, but it is March the 31st. It's not going to happen. Even though this is a simple t-shirt pattern, I don't think I'm going to be able to push it out today and get it posted. I'm going to try. We have somewhere to be at 7 today. My cousin is celebrating her birthday, so I'd really be pushing it, and I don't want to rush. I don't like rushing. I want to have a good finished product that I'll feel good about and feel good wearing. So I may have to miss So Frugal 2023 this year. I had all in good intentions of participating in that, but you know, life happens. But again, this is a free women's pattern. It comes in sizes extra small to extra extra large. It is short sleeve, but we all know that if you want a long sleeve tee, all you have to do is lengthen the sleeves on this pattern. Um, she has lots of good free patterns on her site. She has some men's patterns as well, and I do plan on checking them out because I do want to start doing a little bit more sewing for men, in particular my husband. I have some ideas for coordinating outfits and things like that. He's expressed his desire for some particular items, so I want to try to do that for him. Hopefully I'll push this t-shirt out this week. Oh, I am going to try to also make a dress for Easter. I'm not sure if I'll make that happen. I'm sorry. I'm looking for some fabric that I got. It's so beautiful. I've never worked with a fabric like that. It's kind of silky, so I really don't want to rush it. I want to, take my time with this since I haven't used that fabric. So I may just use something that I'm more comfortable working with if I get to the Easter dress. That's the plan. Anyways, we know how plans go. If you haven't already, click that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.